Hi, good afternoon. Today is 30th of September 2020, and today is Wednesday. The time now is 5:55 p.m. So yeah, today what I've done is pouring concrete on this part of boundary wall and part of stormwater drainage channel with a blackout for the clean out or drainage clean out. So also I'm going to put the formworks now, but maybe you're wondering, was this like a slope here? So this is a chamfer, the result of chamfer I put in to prevent corner edge or sharp edge on the joint. So the formworks I'm going to put in has chamfer as well, the previous one and the new ones, as you can see now. So when I pour concrete on this second stage and remove this formworks after 3 days, this joint becomes like a V shape. So now I'm going to put this formworks now. Just like that. So this is the alignment, the vertical alignment. That's a pencil mark, and here as well. Now I'm going to put black on this one here to prevent pushing of fresh concrete on this formworks. So this is like a push and pull, similarly on the other joint here. Alright, so I'm going to pour this second stage tomorrow, and then after that is the final stage, which is concrete protruding from the paling to about 30 or 20 mil in. And also I put nails here just to prevent movement of paling after 28 curing period, so when it attains the maximum strength. The same on here. So now it's too tight, no more movement. Alright, so I think that's all for now, and thank you for watching, and God bless you, and bye for now. So that's what I poured yesterday, and by the way, after this pouring here, then I'm gonna start the subsoil drain on this side here that will link on that barred pipeline or PVC pipe. Alright, thank you so much, and yeah, again, be safe, and bye for now.